Welcome to another tutorial on MATLAB. In this tutorial series, we are looking into the concept related to electric vehicles, and in the electric vehicles, we are looking into the charging system. In the charging system, we seen in the last tutorial regarding the control pilot, how it controls the current and how different states are being detected at different voltage levels like 12 volt, 9 volt, 6 volt, and with that, how the charging system is able to determine different states. Before starting that, we also need to ensure that the charger is getting connected or the charger is connected to the electric vehicle. So that can be done with the help of proximity pilot. So we will have proximity pilot, and the proximity pilot is present here. If you see here, so this is the entire circuit element which is present for the proximity pilot, and here it receives a 5 volt of the supply. With this 5 volt, there are multiple resistors that are getting connected, and through that it is able to determine a defined voltage, and based on that voltage levels tell that the charger is connected to the electric vehicle. So if you see the area that is present here, so the part that is present here is related to the charger, and the area that is present here is related to the electric vehicle. So in this case, the power supply is getting inside that electric vehicle, uh, and here we are having 330 ohm resistor. So this is the R4, and we are having 2.7k ohm resistor that is connected. On the charger side, you have resistance 150 ohm, and you also have a resistor of 330 ohm. So these are the basic elements that are present on the charger side as well as on the electric vehicle side. Now suppose we want to connect the charger to the electric vehicle. So there could be multiple states that is possible in this case. So one state could be charger not connected. The second state could be the driver trying to remove the plug, and he just pressed the handle button. So handle pressed, and now he just plugged in the port into the electric vehicle. So charger plugged in. So these are the states that are possible in this case. And let's analyze how it is detecting multiple states. So when the charger is not connected, then in that case, this connection will not be there. So overall, how we are able to determine the voltage. So basically, we will be determining the voltage at this point with the help of some detector. The vehicle is detecting in this case, here is the 5 volt supply that you have. Here you have this 330 ohm resistor, and here you have 2.7k resistor. Based on this calculation, you will get a voltage of 4.5 volt in the proximity cells. So this is the reading that we are getting now. Now we connect the electric vehicle to the charger. So when the charger is removed, and there is a switch which basically need to be pressed before you put it into the charge. Coming to the scenario for the button pressed. So for this scenario, so basically you will have this charger plug or the charger gun, and in this case you will have some button over here. So if you press this button, then in that case your charger will this S3 will get open, not closed. If you don't press that button, it will stay closed. So when you press this button, then the circuit will get open. Then overall you are getting a resistance of 150 plus 330 ohm. So overall you are getting 480 ohm in one branch. So this is the branch in which you are getting this resistance of 480 ohms, you are getting a resistance of 2.7k ohms in the other one, and overall from the main you are getting a 330 ohm already resistance, and the power supply you have is the 5 volt. So if you redraw the same circuit over here, the current is flowing through this circuit, and when you calculate the total resistance, it is around 408 ohms. You will have the voltage that will be reading out in this point specially will be 3 volt. Here the button is being pressed and you are getting a 3 volt outcome from the reading. Now the next state, whether the charger is plugged in or not, this is a charger connector state. So once you put the charger in the electric vehicle, then you will remove the button, or when you will put the charger in, then you will unpress the button. So now button is not pressed. So in this case, the switch will be closed. So this is the switch which is getting closed, and it will short the terminal. So this element will be omitted in this case, and you will have overall 150 ohm of resistance available. And because of this, you have two branches. One is having 150 ohm and another is having 2.7k ohm. If you redraw the same circuit again, then you will get this circuit. And in this circuit, if you calculate the overall resistance for the entire system, then you will have the calculation as 142 ohm. So this resistance is the parallel resistance combination that you need to add with the main 330 ohm. Here we done this, and with this if you multiply, then you will get 1.5 volt. So as a conclusion, when you deal with the proximity pilot, then you will have three states, and the first one is charger not plugged in, and in this case you will get a voltage of 4.5 volt as a reading. And then the next state is button pressed, so in this case you will get 3 volt as the reading. Next is charger connector, and here you will get a reading of 1.5 volt. There will be a detector present for detecting all these three states. So this is the state 1, this is the state 2, and this is the state 3. So all these we will implement in MATLAB in the coming tutorial, and we will also see how further process works in case of the charging method that is there for the electric vehicles. In case you are liking the channel, please consider subscribing. In case you have any comment or query, please let us know in the comment section. We will be more than happy to clarify your doubts. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.